Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to discuss about why the 11 plus is a dream for every parent. Why every parents wish, to send to the grammar school their child. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is the significance for sending 11 plus. Basically, 11 plus is a dream forever because of, the ultimately goal is to send your child to elite universities like Oxford and Cambridge. Okay, why this is the reason basically for sending grammar school. This is the reason for preparing 11 plus exams. Okay, and now is the question: what is the 11 plus? Okay, so 11 plus is a entrance exam for admission to grammar schools taken by student in AS6, the age between 10 to 11, and normally the subjects assessed in 11 plus maths, English, verbal reasoning, and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, and why grammar schools matter? So grammar schools consistently rank among the top performing school in the UK. High competition ensure an academically motivated peer groups. Many grammar schools excel in preparation for top universities like Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, Imperial. Okay, students join for law, medicine, engineering, STEM. So grammar school help, you know, for preparing a student for these universities. This is the pathway to Oxford and Cambridge. So the grammar schools have high success rate in sending a student to Oxford and Cambridge. It's around 25%, whoever goes to grammar school. They join like 25% student, from the grammar school joining to Oxford and Cambridge. There is a one data represents, okay, and 40% independent or private school, okay. So whoever passed, their GCSE from private schools is around a 40%, okay, 40% of the private school joining Oxbridge, okay, as compared to 25%, okay, from the grammar school. But now I'm going to little bit compare about comprehensive schools, private schools, and the grammar schools comparison. Yeah, okay. And academic, what are the academic advantages for the grammar schools? Because this is because the curriculums is very intensive curriculum for grammar schools. Is like which demands basically which demands for Oxbridge, and the expectations are very high. Students are challenged to excel academically, preparing them for competitive natures of university's application, and they are high achiever, basically. The environment they are getting, everyone pass from the 11 plus to everyone, their skill levels is better from the comprehensive schools, yeah. And the next, why parents dream of the 11 plus? This question is so much around, why not? Why not for only, go for the comprehensive? Why, everyone dream to send? Uh, why dream for sending 11 plus? Why this dream for sending grammar schools? This is the gateway to elite education, and enter into grammar school can significantly increase the chances of attending top tier universities. And the top tier universities: Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial, UCL, St. Andrew, Harvard's, MIT's, Stanford's, top Ivy Leagues. So these are the bright chances, because I know that the grammar schools is not just only, just teaching, but also on the other hand, they push for the extracurriculum activity. They prepare for your child for curriculum activities which required by or Ivy Leagues, which is required by Oxbridge. Okay, like they must they must like do like curriculum activities, like I would say research work, like they must do like any sports activity, like uh, competitions, challenges, so these are the things basically grammar schools also work on your child. So obviously that's the reason they just create the leadership qualities, okay? And grammar schools offer dedicated support of students aim for Cambridge and other elite universities, helping for preparation for interview practice, entrance exams. Strong admission support. Grammar schools offer a specialized program to guide a student through the Oxbridge admission process, preparation for entrance exams. Grammar schools often preparing a student for pass a specific entrance test. Required often in Cambridge and mock interviews. Grammar schools frequently run mock interview to help the students succeed in real Oxford interview process. Success stories, okay, is examples of a student from the top grammar schools like King Edward Grammar Schools, QE Boys, Colchester Grammar School, Henrietta Barnes for girls, Tiffins, Wilson, I mean, Westcliff, I mean, Westcliff, Chamfers. I mean, these are the best grammar school around, in UK. So, I mean, I mean, also, the grammar school is, okay, so these are the best. Why is stands out? Why grammar school stands out private school while private schools are actual grammar schools offer free educations? Come on. I mean, this is the bridge between, the elite class and the middle class because, the elite class, they can afford easily private or independent school. They can send their child, easily. But, like a middle class or middle class, they can't afford for private independent schools. So basically, if that's why the people try to prepare 11 plus for if they send, these are the aim for sending for the grammar schools. Okay, if your child is go for the grammar school, obviously the environment, the culture, is totally different. Not for they learn about the subjects, learning about the activities, like and they just create like their different club they are offering debating clubs, they have research activities. I mean, they basically build a character, okay? They just try to figure out, they enhance the quality, or they create the leadership skills, okay? So that's why the grammar schools sometimes they say, okay, we do not just only provide education, we build characters, we basically we create leaders, okay? So we build leaders, okay? They create the leadership. So anyhow, so the long-term benefit for grammar schools, you have a give a parents support their children's success and without financial burdens for the private schools, okay? Being a part of the Oxbridge community provide long life academic professional connections, career attending elite university like Oxford Cambridge can open doors to prestigious career paths. Yeah, definitely. If you go for Google, Facebook, Instagram, the all there are chances for, you just go for prestigious institution ultimately where they're gonna start their career. Yeah. And the last things, okay, 11 plus support. Yes, this is important. Yeah. So if you have a dream and if you want that, your dream will be successful, so please contact if you need any help and support. So please contact us. Okay, my details are there. So hope you like this video as well. Okay, so please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.